In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page transition effects to a presentation document in Acrobat Web using Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Acrobat Web. Once you're there, upload your presentation document so it's available in the online workspace. Make sure the file has finished loading completely before moving on, because that helps everything respond more smoothly when you begin editing. If your presentation has several pages, it can also help to take a quick look through the document first so you know where everything is. After your file is open, look for the Organize Pages tool and click on it. This is the section that lets you work with the structure and display of your document page by page. When the view changes, you should see thumbnail previews of your pages. These thumbnails make it easier to manage the presentation visually, especially if you want to confirm that the document is in the correct order before applying any effects. Next, select the target page thumbnail frames. In other words, click the page thumbnails you want to work with. Be careful to choose the correct pages, since the transition settings will apply to whatever is selected. If your goal is to create a consistent presentation experience, it's a good idea to double-check your selection before continuing. Once your pages are selected, open the Page Properties or Transitions Settings panel. This is where you can control how one page moves to the next during presentation playback. Depending on the interface version, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the panel that includes transition-related options. Now choose a specific visual effect style such as fade or wipe. This effect controls the way each page appears during the presentation. A fade transition usually creates a clean, smooth look, while a wipe effect can feel a little more dynamic. The best option depends on the tone of your presentation, so pick the one that fits your content without becoming distracting. Finally, click Apply to All. This ensures the transition setting is used consistently across the entire document, helping create a stable and polished viewing experience. Using one transition style throughout the presentation can make it feel more professional and easier for viewers to follow. After that, your presentation should be set up with the transition effect applied across the document. If needed, take a final moment to preview the result and